Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
So we got a new owner. My man Trell. Yeah, he about to take old Yellow bye-bye. She about to leave. She gone. I don't have no more trucks to sell, I'm sorry. Y'all could have had you a good one.
Yeah, I got it.
Warranty on the engine, everything.
Yeah, I picked
Y'all
up,
playing,
man.
she gone. We about to watch her ride off in the sunset. She is going bye-bye. She is riding off in the sunset, y'all. She going bye-bye. See you later, old yellow one. Bye, old girl. I'ma miss you. I'ma miss you. Body part. So we have a ride down.
Ready? Yeah. I gotta kind of get a little. Sit in that pocket. When we come back up, get a better angle at it. Tom, balance me on the back. I got it. Will you drive all the way back home?
Not today.
No, not today.
No, not today. No, sir. Man, Mel setting up his Keep Trucking. He doing his first Amazon run tonight.
Yeah. Nervous as hell.
You say you nervous?
Yeah, man.
Trying to get him right, get him set up right so he can get it rocking.
All day.
Getting the ELD right so he can be in compliance tonight.
That's it.
Told him he don't need to be riding dirty.
No. Never. Never be happy.
New Amazon facility, AGS. Or you get out here and they act like they don't know how to add your badge to the new facility. They got these new, new workers out here. So this is why you got to get here early, y'all. They be acting like they don't know how to add your joint, man. I'm ready to get this truck loaded and get out of here. So guys, every now and then you'll get a small load like this. I had like 3 scans, this one pallet, this one loose box, and this short pallet. You'll find a load that pays very well and only 3 scans on this trip. I'm done for the night. This is not all the time, but every now and again, you'll get a lucky night. Yep. Amazon Relay. This is the new facility, AGS 5, out in Appleton, Georgia. Not bad. Though it's nothing like when it's just me out here. get the load early. Columbia to Lexington. It's like, this one loads at 8:20, so I'm here like 45 minutes early. So we're gonna get this truck loaded, drop this off at the post office by 12 a.m. and I'm gonna be done for the night. This is my second load for the day. And we pretty much hit the $1,000 mark today. I've done it 2 days in a row. Gotta bring my truck in tomorrow to get some E-Track installed, so I won't have the truck for a day or so. But that was my goal, to get a couple of racks for Monday and Tuesday, and we accomplished that goal. Shout out to Amazon. But I had to make sure the numbers was right before I did it though. See y'all in a second. So we just wrapped that one up. 49 scans. The most I've ever scanned out here, I think, was about 58 scans. That's the most I scanned pallets with the loose boxes included. 58 scans. That's a lot of scans. The most I've ever heard somebody scan is about 62, 63 scans. So that's a lot of loose boxes. But yeah, we about to go back, get this stuff off the truck, and I'm going to bed. But I hit y'all up when I get to the Lexington. It's one stop. Y'all know I don't like to do any more than 2 stops. I mean, that's including pickup and a drop off. I've done 3 stops before, but anytime I do those type of stops, it's paying real good money. All right, see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we just leaving ATL 6. I had to slide through like a thief in the night, and I'm about to head back to Columbia. We out here working. Y'all know what it is. Ching ching. Let's go. What is up, family? We about to get this E-Track installed. I'm out here at East Coast Truck and Trailer in Charlotte. Getting some E-Track installed in the old box back there. Something to make my life a little easier when I'm moving freight. So that E-Track is pretty important to have in your box truck. So I'm about to Uber out of here. Going to check out, going to hang with family a little bit until later on today. So we just chilling right now, all right? See y'all in a minute. Bigg Vic out. So we just got the E-Track installed. Got 2 rows installed. Figured that'd be good. Picking it up right now. Got a row down here, the other row up here. You guys want to know, that's the purpose of the E-Track. Lock it in.